To trade strike options on Crypto.com, you need to have a basic understanding of options trading and a verified account on the platform. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the derivatives section. This is where you will find the options trading platform. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to trade, as options trading requires a margin. Next, select the underlying asset you want to trade options on. Crypto.com offers options on various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Choose the asset you are interested in and click on it to view the available options contracts. Now, you need to decide whether you want to buy a call option or a put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price. Choose the type of option you want to trade and select the strike price and expiration date. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset, and the expiration date is the date on which the option contract expires. Make sure you choose a strike price and expiration date that align with your trading strategy. Once you have selected the option contract, you need to set the amount you want to trade. This is the number of options contracts you want to buy or sell. Make sure you have sufficient margin in your account to cover the trade. After setting the amount, review the order details to ensure everything is correct. Check the option type, strike price, expiration date, and amount to make sure they align with your trading strategy. Finally, click on the buy or sell button to execute the trade. Your trade will be executed at the current market price, and you will receive a confirmation of the trade. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and the risks involved before trading strike options on Crypto.com. Make sure you set a budget and stick to it, and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Additionally, keep an eye on market conditions and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. By following these steps and practicing responsible trading habits, you can successfully trade strike options on Crypto.com and potentially profit from the cryptocurrency markets.